You start with $1,000. It does not feel like much. In fact, it feels small, almost pointless. Most people think you need a huge amount of money to build wealth. They believe the secret is earning more, hustling harder, getting lucky. But the truth is different. Wealth is not built in giant leaps. It is built in small, almost invisible steps. There is a rule most people ignore. The 1% rule. Improve your money by just 1% at a time. 1% better decisions. 1% higher returns. 1% more discipline. Sounds slow. Sounds boring. And that is exactly why it works. Because while everyone else is chasing big wins, you are stacking small ones. Let us break it down. If you invest $1,000 and grow it by just 1%, you now have 1,010. Not impressive, but do it again, and again, and again. Now something strange begins to happen. The growth starts to stack. Then it starts to accelerate. Then it starts to feel unfair. This is compounding. First, nothing happens. Then slowly, something happens. Then suddenly, everything happens. The first 10,000 feels impossible. The first 50,000 feels slow. But the jump from 50 to 100,000 feels faster than you expected. Why? Because your money is now working harder than you are. Every dollar you earn starts earning its own dollars. This is where most people quit. Right before the curve turns exponential. They get bored. They get distracted. They chase something new. But the ones who stay, the ones who stick to the 1% rule, they reach a point where growth no longer feels linear. It feels explosive. Your first 1,000 becomes 10,000. 10,000 becomes 50,000. 50,000 becomes 100,000. Not through luck, not through shortcuts, but through consistency. The real secret is not starting big. The real secret is not stopping early. Because 1%, compounded over time, changes everything.